welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, we are doing a haul video. I have a couple stuff that I bought personally from my work and some stuff that MAC just sent me. It is their brand new items, so super excited to test those out. But yeah, if you guys want to see everything that I got, then go ahead and keep watching my video. Creo que vamos a empezar. I think we're going to begin with the new items. I am super excited. They sent me some of their new blushes and their strobe cream. This one's in Bronze Light. So obviously I'm not going to apply it on my face. I'm just going to put it on my hand. It's honestly a decent size. I'm going to start mixing that in. Pero no sé si pueden ver, if you guys can see, it has like some gold shimmer to it. And this, you would use it under your makeup. It says apply to skin using fingertips or a 109S brush. Can be worn alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed with foundation for subtle glow. So I think with this, even because I did use, I think this will give the illusion like if you put it in a matte or one of the foundations, it'll give it a glow. Because I have the Strobe Dewy Skin Tint right now on. And it is pretty glowy. No sé si pueden ver, pero yeah, I think this is what it's gonna do for that. I do like it. It's not too crazy. And then we have their blushes, and I'm so happy about this. They all fit really good. I did test them out, but I'm gonna show you guys. Primero vamos a empezar with Starlight. We're gonna grab it and test it out. Vamos a poner aquí en el donde pusimos el bronzer. Un puntito ahí nomás. And these are just liquid blushes. They feel really nice. It's super glowy. This one kind of, I can wear this for like a natural everyday because it's not too pigmented on my skin tone. We're gonna go with Ice Gleam. I'm gonna apply that right here. A ver. Ese sí está bonito. It's more on the pinky peachier side, but already the glow on this side of my hand, I love it. I used to be such a hater on blush. It used to be like back when in 2016. It's obviously grown on me and I love blush now. Now that I'm gonna go in with Nightlight, and now we're gonna put this and apply it on the side that has no bronzer on it. A ver si sigue con el glow. It is pretty dark, but you spread it out and blend it in. It kind of is like the blush that I have now, just a little bit on the deeper side. Yeah, this is probably one that I would wear every day because I already have one kind of similar, unless this one might be a little bit more similar. And this one is Unsweetened. Oof. Okay, yeah, this one's closer. I can already see it blending out. Yeah, that one's more similar to the one that I have. All of them have that glow to it regardless if it's with the bronzer or not. Thank you, MAC, for sending me these. Chef's kiss. Y ahora vamos a hacer all the stuff that I bought. We have events here and there. I went a little crazy because we have a goal to meet, and me and my coworker just ended up buying stuff for ourselves. And we also wanted our gift that we made for everybody. Our gift was this really cute like makeup bag. In this makeup bag, stuff came in it, but I just put everything that I bought in it. So primeramente, I bought the Skin Balm Moisturizer. It is truly amazing. I am biased because I am a MAC girly, pero it is just amazing. So MAC actually sent me their new eye serum, which influenced me to buy the rest of the stuff, because the eye serum, I will say, my eyes are very sensitive. I have eczema all over my hands, everywhere. So my eyes are super sensitive to everything. This serumizer has not made it extra sensitive, when it is sensitive, I've tried it and I put it on and I thought I was ruining my life. But it turns out that I didn't. It helped hydrate it, and then I just applied some Aquaphor on top. Love the eye serum. I ended up buying the serumizer and the balm. It's just so hydrating. It really just helped the skin. I wish you guys can feel how amazing this feels. So yeah, I bought the skin line and it just smells so good. Like I said, I'm using the skin tint. This is the one that I always use. It is in medium too. Your girl is not this tan. It is a shade darker. So I ended up buying another Strobe Dewy Skin Tint, but this one is medium 1, so a shade lower, because in the winter time I have no color. So you guys can already see it, but I'll just apply it here. Like, you see that glow already in just that circle. MAC is not all about the packing the makeup on, and I feel like that's what people really think. It's like, oh, MAC, it's kind of intimidating if I don't wear makeup, you know? But it's not. We have a lot of good skincare lines. The Strobe Dewy products is to make your makeup just glowy, to enhance your features. Agarré una base. I got some foundation, the Studio Fix. This is the color NC30. I already have one foundation already, but I mean, you guys can already see it. It is just way too dark. This is NC40, so your girl dropped a whole bunch. And this one is matte for the days that, you know, I am wanting to do a whole matte look, like, which I'll probably wear this tomorrow, because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I'm filming this on the 13th. Then I bought the Studio Radiance Moisturizing Primer. This one is just, it's a primer, but it's different. I already have the Studio Fix mattifying primer, and this is great. It really mattifies everything, even when I put it on like Studio Radiance stuff. But there's days where I just want that glow, and I want that glow with a primer that won't make me look oily. I guess I can show you guys the difference. This one's gonna be the mattifying one. Where'd the shine go for that? Studio Radiance gives you that glow still. It's not as thick. It doesn't feel as tacky. You still have that glow with it. So it really is amazing. Oh, I wish I can put this on. My go-to product that I always go to. Someone's like, I just want a shimmer eyeshadow, or I want something shimmery, shiny. Babe & Charms. Babe & Charms Paint Pot. It is so pretty. So this is her right here, right? Look at her. And she looks pink and gold. And it's crazy because it does matter on your skin tone. So on me, because I am more golden and I do have yellow undertones, the gold blends in with my skin tone, and what I see pop up on my skin is more of like the pinkier side. So we're gonna test this out. So it has both gold and pink, and I absolutely love it. El último event que tuvimos, it was about the nudes collection. So of course I had to get my lipsticks. I ended up buying Cork lip liner because that's my go-to lip liner. Cork, Chestnut, and Mahogany, if you haven't noticed by my reels. This is Cork lip liner. It's like a warm-ish brown color, so it's like that, and I needed to stock up, so I got that. But then I got Stone lipstick, and everyone came in by like, oh, you guys don't have Stone. No, we sold out, and we knew we were gonna sell out, so I needed to get my hands on it. This one is a sleek satin, so it's not matte, and it's like, it's giving 90s. Vamos a poner aquí, and this just like goes great with Cork. Mira nada más. Lip combo is amazing. Cannot wait to use it. Y luego también agarré Buffy's. Let me tell you this. Este labial, the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. The formula in this is truly amazing because it is matte, but it's not drying. Like, not drying at all. The formula that they put in it, I don't know what they put in it. I swear everything MAC makes is like crack cocaine. It is so addicting, and this one is like magic. Like, it's so soft, but it's matte, and your lips don't get like dry or chapped. So it feels really good. And Buffy's is again a nude color that came out. So it is this one. And I don't know, like, you guys just have to feel the product. Lo tiene que probar. Go to your local MAC store and just try it on. Not specifically this color, because this is like the nudes collection, but the Powder Kiss liquid lip colors. It is amazing. Bought this waterproof mascara, which I do like this mascara. It's waterproof. It's amazing. This is not for me. This is for my mother-in-law, which I have not given it to her yet. I keep forgetting. We keep missing each other. I keep going to work. She goes to work, blah, blah. So, Carrie, this is for you. Then finally, I got my little gift baggie, which is all of this. In here, I got a mini lip gloss. I got a mini Skin Canvas Balm Moisturizer. And I also got a mini mascara. Which, okay, cool, whatever. But I really wanted just a bag, because it was amazing. So I also have this one, which I have not used yet. I got this at my other event, but they are cooling eye pads. They're cooling eye pads, and it's so cute. I'm spending all my money there, and I need to stop. But then again, I don't, because they kind of send me stuff, so it's kind of like girl math. I got a discount. That is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my MAC haul. I'm super excited to use all of these products. And if you want to try any of these, go to your local MAC store. I will also try to link everything in my LTK. Also, if you are in the Ohio area, go ahead and go visit South Park Mall. You can also follow the MAC experts. I will put it right here in the bio and put it in the description so you guys can follow our social media. I kind of iterate my MAC lip of the day. We also do some like behind the scenes of setting up for an event or taking down, and kind of just everything of what we do at work. So super exciting. Go ahead and follow us. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I will be back with more videos.